4 Echo Echo number 2, follow a Cessna, on the left station system.
Alright, we'll be looking for him, number 2, and we are planning a low approach with the Polish Mist Badger 4 Echo Echo. Tower 4 Echo Echo's on the go, direct Badger.
Echo Echo.
Tower, Cessna 222, Papa Alpha, just off of Capitol Drive, inbound for pattern work. 222, Papa Alpha, report left downwind 10.
Tower 4 Echo Echo, we're leaving Badger. We're going to head out west to set up for the ILS 10.
Echo Echo, report out of Montana.
Maintain VFR, report the outer marker and intentions 4 Echo Echo. 4 Echo Echo, we think we just had a bird strike. We're going to go straight to the field.
Echo Echo, on runway 10.
10, clear to land, 4 Echo Echo. We're thinking on the nose. Looks like we've still got engine power, okay.
Two Papa Alpha, turning to the north and departing the class Delta.
If I could just get the lights all the way up so I can see the field a little better for Echo Echo. Otherwise, I think we're okay. Echo, we did just have another bird just go over our nose, but no strike there, just a heads up.
4 Echo Echo,
we just flew past another bird. That was a near miss. There's apparently a lot of them out here. And 4 Echo Echo, just for planning purposes, we're probably still going to plan on southeast hangars after. Roger, 4 Echo Echo.